In the previous video, we followed the Topi antelope, a herbivore with a warrior spirit enduring the death traps of the steppe. But on this journey, you will face another species that is lightning fast, cold, and lonely, the cheetah, a lone hunter in the harsh land. Subscribe so you don't miss a moment of this life and death chase. Amidst the vast grasslands that stretch to the horizon without a single tree in the way, the cheetah appears as the embodiment of wild beauty, both graceful as the wind blowing across the steppe and exuding the hidden power of a ruler of vast spaces. With scientific name Acinonyx jubatus. The cheetah is known as the world's fastest land animal, but behind that title lies a challenging journey of survival, where each hunt is a test of precision, calculation, and endurance. The cheetah's body is specially designed for speed. An adult individual weighs on average 40 to 65 kilogram, has a slim body with long legs, a flexible spine, and specially developed muscles. Unlike other big cats, cheetahs cannot fully retract their claws, which increases their grip while accelerating. Click like if you are impressed with the cheetah's hunting speed. When in pursuit mode, they can reach speeds of 95 to 112 km per hour in less than 4 seconds, faster than a standard sports car. However, it can only be maintained for a short distance of about 200 to 300 m-meters, due to rapid increase in body temperature and large energy consumption. Cheetahs typically inhabit grasslands, semi-deserts, and woodland fringes across eastern to southern Africa. Areas such as the Serengeti in Tanzania, the Masai Mara in Kenya, or the Kalahari Desert in Namibia and Botswana are ideal environments for this leopard to operate. They need open spaces to observe prey from a distance and must constantly adjust their hunting behavior to avoid conflicts with stronger predators that live together. The cheetah's hunting tactics demonstrate a combination of patience and good judgment. They usually target weak or young individuals in herds of Thompson's gazelle, impala, or hare approaching within 60 to 100 meters before charging. After taking down its prey with a precise strike, the cheetah needs time to stabilize its breathing and cool its body. This is also a sensitive time when some individuals cannot keep food from the presence of other species, such as spotted hyenas, African wild dogs, or lions. Lacking overwhelming strength forces the cheetah to rely on timing, terrain, and precision in every approach. Unlike lions or hyenas that live in packs, cheetahs are mostly solitary. Only closely related males form small groups to defend territory. Females are generally solitary, only connecting with males during the breeding season. After birth, the female cares for the young for the first 12 to 24 months of their lives, teaching them how to stalk, hide, and navigate the savannah. The mortality rate of leopard cubs in the wild is quite high, up to 90% in the first year due to being discovered and approached by larger species. In the ecosystem, cheetahs help control the numbers of small herbivores and maintain a stable biological structure for grasslands. However, the number of individuals in the wild is on a downward trend. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, there are currently only about 6,700 adult cheetahs living in the wild, most of them concentrated in southern Africa. This decline is due to many causes, such as habitat loss, competition from other predators, and impacts from human activities. Conservation programs such as reintroduction, establishment of ecological corridors, and raising awareness of indigenous communities are being implemented in many countries. In addition to its biological role, the cheetah is a symbol of flexibility, grace, and endurance, representing a way of life that relies not only on strength, but also on subtle calculation and the ability to adapt to a changing environment. Sharing the same habitat where cheetahs roam and hunt, Thompson's gazelles are among the most common and densely populated prey. With an average height of about 60 centimeters and a weight of 15 to 25 kilograms, this small antelope possesses remarkable speed, reaching over 65 kilometers per hour in short distances. Healthy individuals often travel in herds, sometimes up to hundreds, to increase vigilance and protect each other. Their quick reflexes and ability to maneuver help them avoid many attacks from predators. However, this also makes them natural training subjects for young carnivores learning to hunt. Sharing the same habitat is the African wild dog, a carnivore with one of the highest hunting success rates of any mammal, estimated at 60 to 80%. Weighing an average of about 20 to 30 kilograms, they live in herds of 6 to 20 individuals, have a clear social structure, and often use siege tactics to approach prey. The rhythmic coordination between members of the herd and the characteristic homing calls help increase hunting efficiency while minimizing internal conflicts. Wild dogs' endurance allows them to pursue targets for long periods of time, a different tactic from cheetahs, which rely on short sprints. Another species that is also frequently present in open savannas is the spotted hyena, a creature that is notable for its high social intelligence and matriarchal pack lifestyle. Each pack can consist of anywhere from 10 to more than 80 individuals, with clearly defined roles and hierarchies. Their adaptability to a wide range of diets makes hyenas important in utilizing the remains of other species' hunts, and they are also efficient hunters, especially at night. The success rate of hunting in hyena packs ranges from 25 to 50% depending on terrain and prey type. Not only do hyenas have a strong bite, they also have a strong stomach that can digest almost all bones, contributing to cleaning the natural environment. Under the sparse tree canopy that dots the vast steppes, the presence of large herbivores helps shape the structure of the entire ecological landscape. The African bush elephant is the largest living land mammal, reaching heights of up to 4 meters and weighing an average of 5,000 to 6,500 kilograms for adult males. Thanks to their ability to travel long distances and interact deeply with their environment, such as breaking branches, digging, and creating temporary waterways during the dry season, elephants play a role in shaping the landscape, helping to open up pathways for other species to move and access water, while promoting plant regeneration in compacted areas. Not far from where the elephants passed were herds of African buffalo, hoofed animals that live in large herds, sometimes numbering several hundred individuals. An adult buffalo can weigh between 500 and 900 kilograms, with notable features such as curved horns and a tight social structure within the herd. They are mainly herbivorous, and regularly travel along fixed routes between resting places and water sources. By grazing close to the ground and trampling low bushes, wild buffalo help maintain the grassland's ventilation, creating favorable conditions for smaller species such as native antelopes, etc., to coexist.